Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install GIMP on your Windows PC. First, open your web browser. In the address bar, search for the official GIMP website. Once the website opens, find the download option and click on it. Now look for the GIMP for Windows section. Click the Windows download button to download the GIMP installer. Wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Find the GIMP setup file and double-click it to start the installation. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. The GIMP installer will now open. Here, follow the instructions shown on the screen. Keep the default installation settings if you don't need to change anything. Click Install to begin installing GIMP. Windows will now install GIMP on your computer. This may take a few moments, so wait until the installation is complete. When the installation finishes, click Finish. Now open the Start menu and search for GIMP. Click on GIMP to launch the application. When GIMP opens successfully, you'll see the main GIMP interface with the toolbox, canvas area, and other editing panels. This means GIMP has been successfully installed on your Windows PC. So to quickly review, open the official GIMP website, download the Windows installer, open the setup file, follow the installation steps, and launch GIMP from the Start menu. And that's how you can install GIMP on Windows in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful tutorials.